This is not a finance seminar. It's a workshop to increase the value of your business. My name is Andrew Stotz, and I've been a financial analyst for over 30 years. I'm also the CFO and director of 2 of my own businesses. So, here's how this workshop's gonna go. First, I will explain the 3 financial measures that I believe matter most for any business. Then, I'm gonna show some companies in Thailand that are doing really well on those 3 measures, and a few that are not doing so well. After that, I'm gonna calculate those 3 measures for your company and use them to benchmark your company against global peers to reveal your company's strengths and weaknesses. Based on these findings, we'll brainstorm ways to improve your company's weak areas and develop specific actions you can take to increase the value of your business. I challenge you to attend and start working on increasing the value of your business. Are you up for the challenge? If you are, then join me at this IOD event on February 28th.